Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So Udemy has again launched a new course based on HTML5 and CSS3. Okay, and let me tell you about this course. This course is totally in 9 sections. Okay, and in 9 sections there will be many topics related to this. Let me introduce with these things. You can see here the page basics, text basic, and many more things. Okay, website projects also they are going to discuss with you. Okay, and the advanced selectors, website projects, CSS basics, everything. So I think this will be very important course for all the college students. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel and enroll this course. I will mention the free link in the description box. And let me tell you, this is course for limited time only. Maybe after that they will charge, they will ask for some money. Okay, so till now this is free of cost, and I think for today is 2/12/2020. Okay, so this is 2nd December 2020, and for today I think this will be free of cost. So please enroll now, and if you like this video, please share with your friends and family. And this course will be for 5 hours only and 35 lectures overall, and this is an English course, so you can share with anybody. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel and share this video with all those person who need this. Okay, thanks for watching.